We just got this Moda Vera laser level. I get a lot of laser levels because we do a lot of excavating and transit stuff. So it's real small, and this is how small it is. And so if you're hanging pictures and you want to run down the hall with this, you can do that. So we can turn this and angle it down the hallway. You can see it going all the ways down. It's very simple. It doesn't have a bunch of confusing features like a lot of the laser levels. And so I definitely recommend it.